watch the acro videos on YouTube with the RC helicopters. Those guys get crazy. Some stuff I didn't even think a helicopter can perform. But yeah, they go upside down, side to side, and you name it, they're doing it. Some crazy flying. That's pretty cool. So, oh yeah, these the twin blade, they're all right. They're pretty fun. I mean, the only problem is that you, it can't be windy at all. Any wind at all, and this thing, you call it quits, or you're going to have this thing down in the dirt real quick. See right there, that little bit of wind right there shut me down. That wasn't nothing. In fact, the trees up there didn't even budge on that one. So yeah, this helicopter is just basically made for early morning and late evening. See now, ooh, yeah. See, I feel a breeze coming to my side here, and see, I don't even know. I bring this thing back to me. Oh yeah. Back to me. Pretty cool. It's got onboard video. I mean, actually, this is just the top section of my property. I live on bench property. This is only like, I don't know, maybe an acre and a half or so. And then I got the side of the hill. And then I've got on top of that, I got the bottom section. Actually, it's getting kind of turbulent up here. It might actually be mellow out down the bottom of the hill. Maybe I got another battery. Might just take and head down there and see how it is down there, and do a flight down in my pond and my two fields. Yeah, I'd like to get this up higher, but yeah, I mean, I get up about 10 feet high or so, and this thing just gets worked. See if I can bring it back to me here. Bring it, flyer backwards. Yeah, let's shut it. Bring her down. It's all right. Yeah, my little miniature helicopter can actually handle a lot more than this can. I mean, it's single blade, but it can do the side-to-side motion, so when the winds get strong, it don't have the weight. It don't have the weight to penetrate the air, but it does have the mobility to take and shift itself around fast enough to the point where it can recover from something that's throwing it the wrong direction. This thing, it can't do that. In fact, my wind, I'm feeling the wind right now, and it's getting a little bit too much. Right there, actually, I'm losing my battery. Yeah, in fact, right there, I think my battery totally gone on it. This, these helicopters only get